Shake them, Mason. Shake your toys.
Seems like a good one.
If I thought for a second
Shake your toys, bud.
you'd have carte blanche. You're doing this because it's fun.
Yay! Good boy.
My motives have nothing to do with the case.
Your motives have everything to do with your judgment.
Shake your toys, bud. Shake, shake, shake.
24 times a year,
Shake, shake, shake.
storming into my office doubting that you can help someone. Only you never say those words. You say something like, his pancreas is going to explode. His brain is on fire. You come here with medicine, not with platitudes.
I'm bored with the details.
There are no details. You have a hunch. House, you don't use hunches. You always have reasons. This hospital.
Good job, buddy.
I'm sorry.
Look at you and all your toys.
7 a.m.
Look at you playing with your toys. Keep shaking. Keep shaking.
The answer's no. Cuddy called 30 seconds after you left and said you'd try and end around.
Oh no, you lost your toy. You lost it. Here. Here, bud. Take it. Here you go. No, you're okay. Oh, you don't want it? Okay, that's fine. Are you done playing?
My leg hurt. How's that?
Are you done playing? Here.
I'm telling you.
Here you go.
Did it go away?
Take your toy.
Ate for a while.
There you go. Hang on. Hang on to it. There you go.
Surgery.
Shake it.
When it went away. It's muscular. There's cramping. He's smiling about it.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
You're
Oh, you lost it again. I guess we're done.
You've been running